Hi, I'm Richard Aitchison, a legal director in Fox Williams' FinTech team. I'm going to discuss some of the key legal considerations that overseas FinTech businesses need to be aware of when launching in the UK. Navigating the UK's legal landscape can be quite complex, especially for businesses from different jurisdictions. When launching in the UK, it's important to think about your corporate structure to determine whether you need to establish a new corporate entity or operate as a branch of your existing company. Various factors will play into deciding what the optimum structure will be, including existing alternative business structures and group arrangements. And from a legal perspective, establishing a distinct entity might be advantageous for regulatory compliance purposes. You should also consider obtaining advice on what the most efficient corporate structure will be from a tax perspective. As an overseas business, it is likely that your existing customer terms and conditions will be governed by foreign law, so these will need to be adapted to comply with UK law. It's also vital to assess your key partner and supplier agreements. Whether you're dealing with IT services, branding, local payment solutions, or ID verification services, you need to make sure that these agreements are robust, protect your position, and comply with UK law and regulation. It is essential also to ensure that your IP assets, including trademarks, patents, and other registered rights, are properly protected in the UK. This not only safeguards your brand, but also may enhance your market position and help to create further value for your business. Make sure your brand name is protected via trademark registration in the UK, and assess whether you've created any other assets which could be protected, such as by a patent application or design right registration. Employment and immigration laws will also come into play when expanding into the UK. You need to ensure that your employment contracts, policies, and governance processes are aligned with UK requirements. Additionally, if your expansion involves relocating employees or hiring internationally, applying for a sponsorship license for necessary visas might be required. One of the most critical areas for FinTech businesses is data privacy. The UK has stringent data protection laws, which the UK's regulator, the Information Commissioner's Office, expect businesses to comply with. You need to ensure that data usage, security protocols, and privacy and cookie policies meet the standards set forth by UK legislation. If you intend to secure office space in the UK or have other property-related needs, real estate legal advice is vital. It is essential that you understand your rights and obligations in your lease and obtain any necessary landlord permissions for your office fit-out. Negotiating lease terms, understanding English and Welsh property laws, and ensuring compliance with all planning, building, and other regulations will help you avoid potential pitfalls and secure the best possible arrangements for your business operations. As the financial sector is heavily regulated, understanding the applicable regulatory requirements to your business is paramount. Even if your core product isn't regulated, any new functionality you build or additional services you offer, like digital wallets, might bring your business within the UK's financial regulatory perimeter. We can assist in determining the regulatory implications of your operations and navigate the financial, regulatory, and compliance landscape. It's also crucial that you're aware of financial crime regulations, particularly client onboarding and anti-money laundering or AML requirements. Ensuring compliance with these regulations by implementing the necessary measures and compliance protocols can protect your business from significant fines and reputational damage. Finally, early-stage fintechs also need to think about things like transfer pricing and how those fit with your current model and contracts, VAT registration, R&D tax credits, employee taxes, and national insurance contributions and withholding taxes. While our firm does not specialise in these areas, we can recommend and coordinate with other experts to ensure these items are thoroughly covered. By addressing these key areas proactively, your transition into the UK market can be smoother, which will allow you to focus on growing your business. Our team at Fox Williams is here to support you every step of the way.